With treatment foster care, our children are in need of a little bit more support than regular foster care. So it's depending on their experiences and what placed them into foster care in the beginning, to begin with. And they may have some more challenges or diagnoses that need extra support and the resources to help them.
Miss K is absolutely wonderful. I get chills just talking about her. She made me feel at home. I mean, really, really at home. And she walked me through everything. And before I knew it, I took the course. I think it was 6 weeks. And I was a foster mom. And she gave me my first baby.
The Children's Guild Treatment Foster Care Program is a special program where, we're not a large staff, but we work really, really well together, and we're driven and dedicated and passionate for the work. We rely on each other and support each other in any way possible to make sure that we are helping the youth in our program and make sure that they have all the resources and support that they need to continue forward.
I've been a foster mom for about 8 years, and I've had about maybe 7 kids come through my door.
Of our team that looks over who we think would be a good fit for these youth, and Mrs. Benford had the strengths and the resources and the commitment to take on the girls. They were placed there in 2020 and have been there since.
I got them when they were 4 years old, and now they are going on 10 years old. They are absolutely a handful.
When I took on this case, it was happening right then and there. So one of our first conversations was Mrs. Benford deciding that she would like to make the twins their forever home.
I fell in love with them. And love does a lot of different things to your body, your brain, and you want to see them flourish, as they get older. But I just fell in love with them. That's it.
And it was just the perfect click. Like, there was no doubt, there was no hesitation. You could see the love and joy in the home. You could see the girls wanted to be there. I mean, they've been placed with Mrs. Benford since they were 4 years old, and I think this is really all they know. This is their home, this is their family. They have relationships with their bio family, but ultimately this is their forever home. So it was just kind of a perfect fit.
They love my husband more than they love me, because Pop does everything. Mama does nothing right. Until
the custody and guardianship is official, we're just going to continue to make sure that both the foster family, this is the Benfords, and the twins understand what's going to happen after. And really, that's just continue to have the best life that they can.
I love them, and this journey has been 4.5 years, and Miss Tess told me it should only took 2. But we're going to win in the end.
Yeah, we'll make sure that they have all their resources in place so they continue their therapy, make sure they have the resources and continue on with their medical or educational and any other needs that they need. I want them to grow up to be fine young women. So I want them to be educated, and we talk about college already. So she has this bumper sticker on her car that says, "I'm a foster parent, what's your superpower?" And I just love it. It's the best way to describe a foster parent, is that you are a superhero. So